All right, this is 962 Grovewood Drive in Dunedin.
Yes.
Yep, Dunedin. And I've got the main line clean, and I wanted to camera this to show that the bottom of the pipe is gone. So this is how the pipe should look. And you can see this crater on the bottom left-hand side of the screen.
Yeah.
That's the bottom of the pipe. It's just completely gone.
Now, where is this at?
Straight in, so we're 6 feet in from the clean out right now.
6 feet in?
Yeah, I can.
So it's right here.
I can mark it off. I just wanted to get all this on video for the plumbers and the homeowner, and then we'll go in and we'll mark it out. So see, this is the PVC clean out. So let's.
That's where you're at right
Yep,
now.
that's where. So the camera's right here. So we're going to zero this out. All right, I'm going to run back in here and mark this spot inside. All right, so that's documented. All right, I'm going to record this again, just pulling out back to the clean out. That's 10 feet straight in from the clean out to the right of the front door.